Well, hey, folks, how y'all doing? Oh, man, this is going to be a crazy one tonight. What if you took some, have you ever had this crab-flavored seafood flakes? I tell you what, I really like this fake crab. It's a fully cooked fish protein. Did you know that? But what if we took that, tossed it in a little Zang stir-fry oil, remember it's garlic infused, and then bread it with some panko crispy breadcrumbs, and then put it in the old air fryer, in the Cosori air fryer, the 5.8 quart. What do you think? What do you think about that, huh? Remember, this is fully cooked, so all we're looking to do is get it a little crispy with some breadcrumbs. I'll tell you what, let's give it a shot. I have no idea how this is going to turn out. I saw it in the store today and said, hey, let's try that. And that's what we're doing here today. Keep on watching and, well, is this going to fail or is this going to work? I don't know. Keep on watching. All right, first things first, got her up. I just love this stuff. I don't know what it is. It's this fake crab. But at first I tossed in some stir-fry oil. Just put enough in there and tossed it around. And now I've got my my panko, crispy Italian style. And we're just going to put some in there like that. Trying to keep it simple. And then just toss her up. Try not to make a mess. It's kind of sticking and it's kind of not sticking. It's probably, maybe a little bit more oil. We'll see what we can do to make this stick better. Well, there it is. It ain't pretty, but I'm committed to it at this point. At this point, you're going to say, Tom, this is going to fail. And I wouldn't be surprised. What I tell you what, we'll see what, maybe the Cosori can perform some magic. Remember, we always cook everything on high, so I'll take her out to 400. 15 minutes, fine for me. Let's put her on. I'll tell you what. Let's take a look. See, this probably would have been a good one to preheat this, so we start off hot. Because remember that protein, that fish protein's already cooked. So, well, we'll give you a look. See, around 10 minutes, maybe 15. Yeah, I'm expecting the same results you are expecting. So let's watch together. All right, folks, 10 minutes into it. Let's see how our crab flavored seafood flakes, our imitation crab is doing. I'll tell you what, that Zang stir fry oil, man, I love the smell of garlic, and that stuff just, oh man, it smells good. So it's been 10 minutes. Oh man. Well, that don't look too bad. So, holy smokes. We're gonna give them a quick flip, see what they look on the other side. Give you another look here, and let's see if we can do that. Okay, the other side don't look bad either. This may be good to go. All right, folks, I'm gonna get some of this plated up and give you a look. See, this may not be a fail after all. So I'll give you a quick look. See. All right, the smell is actually fantastic. In fact, I'm gonna use some of this. Have you ever tried this shrimp sauce? This Cross-in Blackwell zesty. Oh, it's got horseradish in it and a lot of it, and it's good. So let's take a let's just take this piece right here. Look at that. Man. Okay. That's not bad. Crunchy, got the garlic on there, and then just imagine if you could dip it in that. Oh man, it's gonna be so good. Folks, I thought this was gonna be a fail. I don't see this as being a fail at all. Tom Horseman on YouTube, thumbs up, leave a comment. Leave your comments. Yeah, I know you will. And as always, folks, I appreciate you watching. I really do. Thank you.